Namaste guys, in this video we are going to do a cloth simulation in Blender. So let's start. So press A, X and delete. Now first thing that I will add a UV sphere and add a simple subdivision surface. Generate subdivision surface, okay that's good. Right click, shade auto smooth. Now I need a cloth, so I click on add mesh plane and scale 2 times. Now right click, shade auto smooth, tab 7 on my keyboard for the top view. Right click, subdivide, enter the numbers of division as per your requirement. In my case, I'm entering 80. After that, select these two, go here, vertex group, click assign and give it a name pin. Okay, now click on plus, press Ctrl I, click assign and give it a name cloth. Press tab to exit. What I will do is I will add a subdivision surface for better results. Now I will select this RX90 GY here and select this, press I location. After that, let's say I will go to the move frame 150 GY here I location. So if I move it, it will look something like this. Now what I will do, now let's do the, before I do the cloth simulation, let's add some material here, to make it look good. So click on here plus new material library X. If it is not showing in your case, go to edit preferences, search for material. It's a inbuilt, library there. So yeah, why I will not use it. So click on here, sample material, and choose the material as per your requirement. Let's go here. mm, let's say ceramic one and apply to selected. Doesn't look something change to me. Galvanized steel, let's try this one. Okay, galvanized steel looks something there. Now about the cloth. So for cloth, I will go to the shading, new, and I will apply some textures here. And automatically apply the texture there. That's a good work for me. Just that you can download the material link in description, so don't waste valuable time there. And I will change the material here as well. So I will select this, press Ctrl Shift T. So this is how it look like. Now that looks fine to me. Now let's do the simulation. So go to the layout, select this, and what I will do, I will first go to the physics tab. So what I'm going to do, simulation. So select this. What is it? It is a cloth. So of course I will add a cloth here, and I will go downwards, go to the shape, pin, select the pin. Let's go backward and go to the collision, increase the quality to 5 and select this rigid body, passive, add a collision here, select this, add a collision here as well. Click on play, let's see how does it look like. So now what we have to do is I have done something uh, behind the scenes. So basically what I've done it, I go to my physics tab and go to a cache and click on bake. You will see a bake button. After baking your animation, it will look something like this. Okay, why I have done the bake? If I don't do the bake, what will happen? Every time I play this, it will do the physical simulation and it will take a very long time. For example, this one take more than an hour to do the simulation. So yeah, it's a very time consuming thing. So choose as per your requirement. I recommend reduce the subdivision and the subdivision at the beginning of this plane to decrease the time. Okay, and you will see something like this. So weight is select the cloth, go downwards, click on cache. Okay, so that is what you have to do. Now go here, you can see how it look like, and now after that you can render it out as per your requirement. So that's for all. I hope you guys like it. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. And one more thing that you can do is, for example, in cloth, if you click on it, you can change the cloth type, silk, rubber, or whatever you want as per your requirements. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.